Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bitget, and on today's update video I want to show you guys how you can claim and pre-deposit your CESS tokens to your Bitget account. But before I continue with this particular video, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. So guys, for those who are doing the CESS airdrop this year, I'd like to tell you right now that the airdrop claiming is now available, and also the pre-deposit is available. So if you have been doing this airdrop right now, I want you guys to please watch this video as I provide the step-by-step process of claiming your tokens. Now, if you don't have the Bitget account, also make sure you go to the description box where you get to see the link to download your Bitget app, and also where you register and verify through your KYC. And once your KYC has been approved, you can now head over to the sports section, and from there you'll be able to deposit your CESS tokens. Now, the first thing you are going to do when you get to the CESS the share airdrop website is that you are going to log in with your X account, or you are going to log in with your OKX account. Now, once you've been able to log in, it's going to bring your points, and once you've seen your points, you are going to click on get. Now, once you click on get, it's going to tell you to exchange your points for tokens. So right now, my own 3060 points has been converted to 30.60 CESS tokens. So you are going to click on get CESS. Now, after you click on get CESS, it's going to say get CESS successfully, which means that you've been able to claim the tokens. Then after that, it's going to tell you pre-deposit to Bitget. So you are going to click on that. So guys, you are going to head over to your Bitget account. You are going to open your Bitget. Then you are going to head over to the assets section. Then you head over to sports. Then you are going to come down right here. You are going to search for CESS. You click on that. Then you come right here. You click on these three bars here. You click on deposit. And from right here, you are going to copy your address. Then you head over back again to the home section. You click on this profile icon, and then you copy your UID. Then you head over back to your CESS website. So guys, after you head back to the website, you are going to click on pre-deposit to Bitget. You click on that. Then after you've clicked on that, you are going to put in your UID that you've copied, and then the wallet address will be below. And then you are going to click on pre-deposit and verify. Then after that, it's going to tell you it has been submitted successfully. And that is it, guys. That is how you are going to claim your CESS tokens to your Bitget account. So guys, if you are able to do the CESS the share airdrop, I would like you all to please follow these step-by-step processes right now and deposit your tokens to Bitget. However, the TGE date has not been set, so whenever there's a major update to that, I'll be dropping them in my Telegram channel. So please, if you are watching this video, feel free to join our Telegram channel where we share free airdrop updates and alphas as well, and also gain access to our trading group as well. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.